You're doing online entrepreneurship wrong. Here's why. Know your audience. Identify their age, gender, interests, and pain points. Understand who they are and what they need. Tailor your content to match your audience's needs. Use relatable language and address their specific challenges. Value your audience's time. Deliver immediate value, be clear, and always follow through on your promises. Consistency is key. Always meet or exceed expectations to build trust with your audience. Saying no is powerful. Prioritize opportunities that align with your goals and avoid overcommitment. Protect your time and energy by setting clear boundaries and focusing on what truly matters. Embrace failure as a learning tool. Each mistake is a chance to improve and grow. Shift your mindset to see failures as necessary steps towards success. Prioritize your health and well-being. A healthy body and mind boost creativity, decision-making, and productivity. Delegate tasks that aren't your strengths. Focus on what you do best and leverage help when needed. Seek and embrace feedback. Constructive criticism helps you improve and better serve your audience. Handle criticism with empathy. Understand the source and focus on supporters who value your work. Simplify decision-making. Ask the right questions and streamline processes to save time and reduce stress. Build and maintain momentum. Start projects with energy and capitalize on successes to keep moving forward. Avoid unproductive comparisons. Focus on your personal growth and set goals that matter to you. Serve first, earnings follow. Solve your audience's problems and provide genuine value to build loyalty. Master storytelling to connect emotionally with your audience and enhance your marketing efforts. Utilize available resources. Start with what you have and take small, actionable steps toward your goals. Foster community connections by creating safe spaces for your audience to engage and support each other. Encourage engagement in your community to build strong, emotional bonds with your brand. Use community feedback to continuously improve your offerings and meet audience needs. Balance work and life. Set boundaries to ensure you stay healthy and motivated in your business journey. Regularly review your goals and priorities to stay focused and avoid distractions. Adopt a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement. Celebrate your achievements and learn from both successes and setbacks. Build strong relationships with your audience. Engage with them regularly to foster loyalty. Provide exceptional customer service to turn satisfied customers into brand advocates. Stay adaptable. Be ready to pivot and adjust your strategies based on feedback and market changes. Keep learning and growing. Continuously seek new knowledge and skills to stay ahead in your entrepreneurial journey.